Hello everyone, Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware Behind the Camera, and I am with Samsung today, taking a look at all of the new products that they just announced during the latest Unpacked event. We have hands-on with the brand new Galaxy Buds 2, the Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic, and the new Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3. I'm not going to spend too much time talking about the Galaxy Buds 2 because I didn't actually get to listen to them. Due to COVID limitations at the event, we weren't allowed to actually stick anything in our ear, and I am perfectly fine with that. So the Galaxy Buds 2, Samsung claims they offer up to 5 hours of battery life with active noise canceling enabled, or up to 7.5 hours without active noise canceling. Now, of course, you can recharge them in the case. You can get up to 20 hours of battery life when recharging with the case with active noise canceling, or 29 hours without. The Galaxy Buds 2 are scheduled to go on sale on August 27th for $149.99. I believe that makes them the most affordable active noise canceling buds in Samsung's lineup. Next, we'll take a quick look at the Galaxy Watch 4. So Samsung is actually launching an array of Galaxy Watch 4 products today. There's the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The Galaxy Watch 4 is a little smaller, comes in 40mm and 44mm sizes. And the Classic comes in 42mm and 46mm sizes. There'll be an array of colors and bands available for all of them. Now, all of the Galaxy Watch 4s are built around a new SoC, the Exynos W920. Samsung's claiming the CPU is 20% faster with a more powerful GPU as well. And all of the watches will have 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage. Another new feature coming with the Galaxy Watch 4 is a new bioactive sensor that offers optical heart rate monitoring, ECGs, and a bioelectric impedance analysis to estimate body composition. These new watches are also running a new operating system, so they run Wear OS powered by Samsung. It's essentially Android Wear with a Samsung skin on top to make it look like the Tizen OS of previous gen Galaxy watches. Overall, it feels and operates very similar. Some differences, but any Galaxy Watch user will figure it out pretty quickly. In terms of the external design, Samsung figured if it ain't broke, don't fix it. They look very similar to previous gen Galaxy watches as well. So Samsung is claiming 40 hours of battery life on a single charge, and these watches will go on sale August 27th at prices starting at $250. Next up, let's chat about the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So the new Z Fold 3 has a large 7.6-inch Infinity Flex folding display with a native resolution of 2208 by 1768. Now, this new screen also features what Samsung is calling eco technology. It essentially boosts the brightness while consuming less energy than the previous gen to increase battery life. So the screen features a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it incorporates Samsung's first ever under-display selfie camera. Now, that under-display camera is only 4 megapixels with an aperture of f1.8 and an 80-degree field of view. We should also mention that the new display on the Z Fold 3 is compatible with the new S Pens that Samsung also announced at Unpacked. Now, when folded on the front of the device, there's an additional 6.2-inch cover screen with a resolution of 2269 by 832. It too features a 120 Hz refresh rate and an additional 10-megapixel selfie camera. On the back of the Z Fold 3, there's 3 more 12-megapixel cameras, a wide angle, an ultra-wide angle, and a telephoto, and they're all protected by Gorilla Glass DX. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 also features a capacitive fingerprint reader on the side rather than under the display, and the device is also now IPX8 rated for water resistance. The overall design does look similar to the previous gen, but build quality does feel solid and perhaps a little bit more refined. It's obvious that Samsung's been putting a lot of thought into their upcoming foldables. So the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and customers can choose between 256 gigabyte or 512 gigabytes of internal UFS 3.1 storage. Powering everything inside the Z Fold 3 is a 4400 milliamp hour battery, which also supports 10-watt wireless charging and 25-watt fast wired charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be priced starting at $1799, which is actually a reduction from the previous gen, which started at $1999. And finally, let's take a look at the new Galaxy Z Flip 3. So the new Z Flip 3 now features a 6.7-inch Infinity Flex display with a native resolution of 2640 by 1080 with a 120 Hz refresh rate. If you remember, the previous gen only had a 60 Hz display. There's also a new larger cover screen on the Z Flip 3. That cover screen measures 1.9 inches with a resolution of 260 by 512. There's also a 10 megapixel selfie camera and two 12 megapixel cameras on the back, which handle wide angle and ultra wide angle photography. Like the Z Fold 3, the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 is also powered by the Snapdragon 888 SoC, but it's paired to 8 gigabytes of RAM and either 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. Now, powering everything inside the device is a 3300 milliamp hour battery, and this guy supports 10 watt wireless charging or 15 watt fast wired charging. Now, despite all of the upgrades and obviously better performance thanks to Snapdragon 888, the improved displays, the new cameras, we should also mention the Z Flip 3 has IPX8 certification as well. Pricing is significantly reduced, and the Z Flip 3 starts at only $999. Samsung is also offering various promotions if you pre-order between now and August 26th, and availability will be at the end of the month like the other devices that we talked about earlier. I think that's going to wrap up our coverage of Samsung's latest Galaxy Unpacked event. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and do us a solid. And don't forget to check us out across the web. We're on every social media platform and, of course, at hothardware.com. Once again, this is Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware. Thanks for stopping by.